Man, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from you already know what it is. It's the sit. Bruh, listen. I'm not here to rant. Okay, maybe just a little bit. Nike, what are we doing here? Why are you continuing to put out 80,000 colorways of the Nike Dunk Low? Yep, went to the mall this weekend, and as usual, there's like 30 pair of dunks on the wall just sitting there. Now, this was 2 years ago. That wouldn't have been a thing. So at this point, we gotta ask the question: Is the market saturated with Nike Dunk Lows? I know. Hear me out though. SBs are different. That's totally different. Now the hype for SBs has not dropped at all, but the regular Nike Dunk Low, the hype has came and went. Unless they're dropping like the Ugly Duckling set pack that came out like in 2020, and now we're getting a re-release of those. The veneers come out sometime soon, so I mean that's the Ugly Duckling, to be honest with you. Bruh, it's too many. It's way too many, bruh. I'm not a representative to speak for the entire culture, but when you drop a pair of sneakers every week in a different colorway, or maybe every other week, it gets to the point where don't nobody really want them no more. Nike came back with the Panda Dunk a couple years ago. Everybody lost their mind over the Panda Dunks, right? Now, it's so cliche to have on a pair of Panda Dunks, nobody really wears them anymore. I mean, people do. Don't let me say that people don't, because I don't watch everybody, but from the hype that it had before, a couple years ago till now, nah, bro, it ain't it. It's not it. And Nike just keeps on releasing more colorways of the Nike Dunk Low. Again, SBs are different. There's creativity in the Nike SB Dunk. Like, it's different. You got collabs. I don't see anybody collabing with just a regular Nike Dunk. Ain't nobody doing that. But as far as the SBs, bro, we done had some bangers here within the last 6 months, and I don't see them slowing down anytime soon. From Powerpuff Girls to the Risa Leos, we got what we got? We got the City of Love pack. What else we got? Man, hell, we had Supremes. It's crazy the amount of SBs that are dropping right now, and they continue to do what they always done. Now, you may have a couple outliers like the Court Purple ones that came out that, you know, as far as resale value, they still sitting around maybe $20 markup or something like that. Probably maybe a little bit more than that, but the hype has not left the SB farm. It has not, because there's always a collab out there that's looming and everybody's waiting to get their greasy little mitts on. It's gonna be crazy, man. It is definitely gonna be crazy. I love the creativity that they come with the Nike SBs, but the regular Dunk, man, the materials on it are so trash. Every once in a while, they'll give us one with the premium materials on it, and everybody will get them and try to turn them into an SB, or just be like, oh, like me, I wish this was an SB, because they are mad comfortable. The regular Nike Dunk Low, it's not so much, it's not comfortable, but it's not terrible either. The leather quality on them is just trash. But Nike continues to pump the farm and just keeps giving us 1,000 colorways. You gotta ask yourself, like, what's the method behind the madness? Is Nike doing this intentionally to try to capitalize on the hype? But I can't see them thinking that they're capitalizing on the hype when you can actually go to the store and they're still there. Hype bees don't operate like that. If a shoe is limited, you put limited quantity on there, it's gone, because there needs to be, or will be, a supply-demand issue, right? And they can raise the prices. But we did ask for this. We 100% asked for this. Years ago, when Nike was putting limited tags on everything, they were only making 40,000, 50,000 pair of sneakers, right? And they would drop them and they go off the shelves. Done, right? We asked for more so more people can get them, but it's a double-edged sword. People don't really want something that's not hype. I don't operate in that realm. If I like it, I'm buying it. So I don't really operate in that realm of, oh, don't nobody else like it, I'm not gonna get it. I don't work like that. But we did ask for this, and now we got it, and now people are not complaining, or letting the shoes sit because nobody wants them, so I don't want them either. Don't be a sheep, folks. Don't do that. If you like the shit, buy the shit. That's pretty simple and well put. If you like it, cop it. Don't worry about what everybody else thinks. But I do believe Nike is giving us way too many dunks. The dunk lows anyway, way too many of them. It's kind of got the Jordan 1 effect. Like Nike has this thing, like people started liking Jordan 1s again probably about 5, 6, 7 years ago, and they just ran the well dry. And I done had so many different colorways of the Jordan 1. Now it was a comfortable shoe, right? It's an everyday shoe. You can wear that, but who really wants to wear high tops every day, you know? During that period, it was the thing to do. But now, not so much with the dunks, man. Like, it's a low shoe, it's almost summertime, but hell, even in the wintertime, they were still just dropping and dropping and dropping. Stop it, Nike. Stop it, knock it off. I ain't ranting, I'm just curious of why we keep getting so many dunk lows when it's obvious that no one's buying them because they're still on the shelves. And most of the time, they have a reduced price, or you can catch them on stock or GOAT. And yeah, you can get them below retail. So I don't know. Is this a good time to be a sneakerhead when you can just stroll into the store and buy whatever shoe you want? Yes, it is. But not at the behest of Nike just keeps feeding us different colorways of the same shoe. I know the pot calling the kettle black because that's what Jordan Retros have been doing for years. But Nike Dunk has never had that mystique of any one of the number of Jordans. Maybe twos, because people don't really like twos, but it's never been like that for Jordan Brand, because it's Jordan Brand. But Dunks, no, it's not that. We go for collabs, we go for the premium Nike Dunk lows, but at one point in time, the Nike Dunk low would fly off the shelf, but this ain't it no more. So it's a double-edged sword, folks. If you like to be able to walk into the store and you have this specific color you want, you best believe Nike has a dunk fit for that. They do, 100%. They have a fit for that. But it's only so many times you can buy the same shoe, bro. It's got to have a story behind it. And most retros that we get, if it's an OG colorway or if it's just a colorway that we've never seen before, there is a story behind it. There ain't really no story behind a lot of these dunks that they coming out with. And everybody likes a good story, especially when they spend that kind of money on a pair of shoes. So I wasn't ranting, bro. I just had to get that out, man. It was always bothering me, especially when I went to the mall this weekend and it was at the forefront. Like every pair of shoes in there, damn near was a dunk. I don't know. We asked for this though, so whatever, man. I'm your boy, Money Matt. And I'm going to get on out of here and go do something important with my life today and stop talking about dunks. I'm gone, folks. Peace.